Hello, boys and girls. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Reading Time with Didi Neish. Thank you for stopping by. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Today we are reading Cars, Rushing, Honking, Zooming by Patricia Hubble, illustrated by Megan Housley and Sean Addy. Cars, Rushing, Honking, Zooming. Cars go rushing up and down, through the country, through the town. Convertibles and limousines packed with waving, giggling teens. Taxis swerving, dodging, beeping. Families hailing, shouting, leaping. Police cars darting, passing, dashing. Sirens wailing, bright lights flashing. Fire chief's car, bright shiny red. Hook and ladder up ahead. Cars with 2 doors, cars with 4. Cars with stick shifts on the floor. Cars with horns that toot and blare. Cars that big dogs like to share. Race cars roaring round a track. Numbers painted on their back. Station wagons, hot rides, vans, jeeps, delivery cars, sedans. Racing, rushing, honking, squealing, stopping, starting, turning, wheeling. Garages where mechanics work, fixing cars that stall or jerk. Greasing axles, checking tires. Engine, carburetor, wires. Radiator, muffler, lights. Everything must be just right. Add some oil, pump some gas. Clean the windshield's dirty glass. Fasten seatbelts, off we go. Fast, fast, slow, slow. Whizzing here, cruising there. Cars can take us anywhere. Mountain, desert, farmland, shore, lake, and forest to explore. Park your toy cars in a row. Pick one out and off you go. Make a road around your room. Zip, turn, stop, zoom. Cars go north, south, east, and west. They do their jobs. And then they rest. Thank you for stopping by and reading Cars, Rushing, Honking, Zooming, here with me at Reading Time with Didi Neish. I hope to see you here next time for more reading fun. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.